All right, backflip. Woo. So nice. We're gonna try and get it back to out if we can even get enough speed. Nope, it's so sticky. Take the lip out. Watch out, Taylor fell. You good?
I left one behind.
I can tell. Coming! Owen, watch out! Oh, what the heck? Alright, let's do this a big nut. Wort surf. Alright, let's do like a lazy boy 180 or something. Okay, into the pond skim.
So wet.
Dude, I know, me too.
I'm gonna do this one and one more and then I'm going to
Three more
skip
minus
the last one.
3 minus 1.
3 more, skip the last one.
Alright, that's what I'm gonna do too. Oh, bet. Dude, I gotta start bringing a marker because everyone's like, yo, give me your autograph. I was like, bet. I was like, you want it? I'll give it to you. So many little kids, dude. Woo. Alright, I'll follow you on this tranny.
So foggy.
I know.
It's really fun. Just follow my speed.
It's chill though. Who cares if it's foggy? It's fun. Nutsack.
Ah!
That's what you get from last time. Stink bug. Such a fun grab. Dude, I can't believe Alright, stop spraying people. I know you didn't do it that time, but like...
Look at all the fog.
I know.
It's like smoke.
Alright, we'll backy again. Alright, backflip. So nice! I love backflipping. Oh, such a nice sound. Alright, we'll do another Lazy Boy 180. So fun off this like tiny little jump. Gotta get the afterbang every time, I'm telling you. Alright, punch him.